Hi, I'm Chantal from Health Logic. Health Logic started at Eastmead Medical Centre in St Heliers in 2010 as a natural health practitioner specialising in Ayurveda and deep tissue massage. My specialities were in acute muscular conditions such as RSI, carpal tunnel, sciatica, and very stress-related health conditions as well. So now I am bringing my expertise to corporate businesses, and I am offering my services in corporate massage, RSI assessment and management, and stress management. I am also a meditation, mindfulness and EFT expert. These tools are very helpful for reducing stress and anxiety in the workplace. So there are two facets of corporate health. The first works with physical health. Now, with physical health, we need to look into RSI and underlying muscular conditions, as well as underlying health conditions. A lot of stress and anxiety in the workplace really puts a toll on our bodies. And this is how stress-related conditions start popping up in our lives. Now, these stress-related conditions only get worse unless you do something about it. So, starting with corporate massage on a general level is good, and I would highly recommend corporate massage of a general nature in the workplace to begin with. Then, as I get to know your staff and your employees, I can shift my focus to more specific areas in the body where they're having problems. This may be a limited range of motion. It may be RSI is having an impact. It may be that someone is suffering with old injuries, and these old injuries produce a limited range of movement. And this limited range of movement can cause real problems just getting through daily tasks. And if we have a build-up of these old injuries and inflammation being caused by these old injuries, it decreases your energy level, which decreases productivity. And then there's mental health. Now, obviously, reducing stress and anxiety in the workplace is going to be very productive. Now, there are very valuable tools to do this. They are meditation, mindfulness, and the emotional freedom technique. They're very quick to do, and they're very helpful to remember and practice through the day at work to really increase productivity and decrease stress levels. Now, these are ways that I can help with these things. So the emotional freedom technique is a technique where you tap on meridian points while saying a sentence about the sorts of symptoms you're experiencing, and it reduces the symptom within minutes. Mindfulness. These are the sorts of things that we can do with mindfulness. One, we can reduce mind noise. When you calm everything down and practice mindfulness, you reduce the amount of thinking, which reduces the amount of stress. And this in turn increases the amount of work productivity. Two, become more aware of your body necessities. So if you're thirsty, you're hungry, or you're feeling frustrated and you're not getting anywhere, then mindfulness just helps you become aware of possibly what your body is lacking in the way of water or food, or just the space to give your mind a rest so that your frustration can die down, or you can get some perspective on the situation, allowing your body and your mind to readjust and come back to the present in a more relaxed and productive manner. Three, train your mind to become more settled in working through tasks to completion. By staying focused on a task, you can become more productive and therefore complete tasks rather than getting distracted by your thoughts or by environmental problems. Four, Become aware of your thoughts and destructive thought patterns so you can change them. Meditation. 5-minute meditation bursts can regain focus and clarity with tasks and organization of your day. You won't realize the benefits of doing a little bit of meditation until you actually try it. Now, there is also a meditation technique that is very easy to do and very effective when it comes to releasing subconscious triggers. So if you're in a work environment where you're feeling particularly triggered by people or events or the busyness of what's going on, you can actually use this technique very easily without anyone even knowing you're doing it to reduce the amount of triggering that's going on in your subconscious. And this just eases up your mental ability so that you're able to be more productive during the day in a much more relaxed state instead of feeling like everything is hard work or trying to push through barriers all day. The stress management sessions go something like this. A talk over what situation is stressing them or specific symptoms that are stressing them, and then I can give an individual very quick techniques to reduce those symptoms or work out a way to resolve an issue or a situation using mindfulness, meditation, or EFT. So now that you know about my services, the next step would be to book a complimentary 15-minute massage and complimentary consultation so that we can discuss further how I may help you in your business with your employees. If you are interested, please give me a call, and thank you for your time in watching this video and learning about my services. I look forward to hopefully working with you in the future.